So I've set this up today. We're doing a envelope. So this is a basic fabric envelope that we had in our studio. So it has a flap here on the top. Then you can put things inside of it. Today we have some red ink. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put some newspaper here inside. I'll take the flap back like this. First I want to see where the flap goes down here so I can make a crease there. And I'll cover that area up like so. And then I'll start printing. Today I'm using a block that was designed by my friend Petra Valentova of Imprinted Story. So it's a whole bunch of triangles on top of each other. So each time I reapply the color here, and now we'll do the second row. Hey everybody, if you're just tuning in, we're in day 2 of 21 days of printing with Studio Bagru. Today we're printing a fabric envelope. Will you let me know if anybody asks a question on there? I can't really see. So if you're just tuning in, I'm Jeremy from Studio Bagru, and we're doing some live printing here today. And what we've done so far is we've made this line here for the envelope. I'm going to put this back down to see where So I'll do the other side of the envelope now. Can you hear the birds in the background? It's so quiet here in Jaipur now that they've closed the roads. So you can finally hear all these beautiful birds singing outside. So this design was made by one of my friends, Petra Valentova from Imprinted Story. She's also one of the partners on this amazing new project that we're starting called Mahila Print with Monica Moisen of the Cultural Intellectual Property Rights Initiative. And so we've created a new business model that will basically allow for us to work with women artisans in Bagru and create new designs with them and ensure that they are fairly credited and compensated for the work that they're doing. So you can check mahilaprint.com for more information about that. So I just have one more print to do on this side before moving to the next area. So you can see I've printed this insert into the envelope. And now I'll just flip this down. And what we'll do is we'll cover the area that we had been printing with the newspaper so that I don't print on top of that. And I'll begin to print on this area here. So I have another piece of newspaper I'll put on top of this. And now I'll start printing there. So I have another block by my friend Petra that I'm going to use. So I've done just kind of a vertical with this design here, and I'll add just a couple embellishments here on the side with a solid triangle. Actually, I think we should use a circle. So we'll use this design here as some dots. So, going to just cut some of this newspaper. I want to cover some of the other things that I printed. This way, when I print my next design, it won't disrupt the other old design. So, So now I'll cover the other side. All right, here we go. Alrighty, let's see how that turned out. Oh, nice. So check that out. And I'll let that dry. So thanks for tuning in for day 2 of 21 days of printing with Studio Bagru.